Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking XP25 Excel Chapter 4 Cumulative Insurance Claim. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing economics, Java, C++, medical nursing and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen and given in the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on my WhatsApp chat and we will deal for this course. I will do your complete simulation training. I will do your all simulation exam, midterm exam and final exam. Now I am going to start my assignment to solve step by step. Okay, the title of assignment is, first we'll click on a repeat editing button. The title of assignment is here XP25. First we will increase the font size for this instruction file for a proper view in my video. The title of assignment is XP25 Excel Chapter 4 Cumulative Insurance Claim. This is the title of assignment and here is the project description to get idea about your project. Question number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name XP25 Excel Chapter 4 Cumulative Insurance XLS. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically in this question we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. I have also downloaded this file from my IT Lab portal. You can see I am going to opening my Excel workbook. Okay, I am going to opening my Excel workbook. Click on enable editing button. Okay. Now I am going to do question number 2 of this assignment. The question number 2 of this assignment is that convert the data range B6 to J215 to a table. Name the table insurance claim and then apply the light green table style light 21. Basically in this question we will convert the data range B6 to J215 to table. Okay, we will convert the data into a table. We will go to the Excel workbook, select this range, then press enter. We will go to the insert tab and then convert this data into a table. The table name is insurance claim. We will copy this table name, go to the insert tab. In the tables group, click on table button and then we will convert this data into a table. Click on OK button. This data will be converted into a table and then the table name is insurance claim. Table name is, go to the table design tab. In the properties group, click on table name box and then we will type insurance claim. Press enter. Then we will apply the light green insurance insurance claims. Okay. Then apply the light green table style light 21. Light green table style light 21. Go to the table style and then we will apply this style light green table style light 21. Now I am going to do question number 3. The question number 3 is that remove duplicates record. We will remove duplicates record. In the table we will go to the Excel workbook. Okay, click on table design tab. In the tools group, click on remove duplicates button. Okay, click on OK button. 3 duplicates value found and remove 206 unique values remain. Click on OK button. Now I am going to do question number 4. The question number 4 is that add a new column at the end of the table named duration. Okay, we will have to add a new column at the end of the table named duration. Okay, simply we will add a new column. We will go to the Excel workbook and then add a new column, and we will type duration in column K6. Okay, now moving on question number 5. The question number 5 is that create a formula using unqualified structure references to calculate the days required to resolve the incident date resolved minus date created. Okay, simply we will go to the duration column and then we'll create a formula. Date resolved minus date created. Click on cell K7. Press is equal to date resolved minus date created. Date resolved minus date created. J7 minus C7. Okay, we will press enter. Then it will be find value in duration column. Now I am going to do next question of this assignment is question number 6. I have done 5 questions right now. The question number 6 is that add a total row to display the average duration column K required to complete a claim. Okay, add a total row to display the average duration column K required to complete a claim. Okay, we will select column K. Okay, we will select column K and then go to the table design tab. In the table style options, click on total row button. Okay. Now we will move on question number 7. I have done this question so well. Average duration column K required to complete average duration column K. Okay, click on right arrow and then select average. Okay, we will find average in duration column using total sum. Now I am going to do question number 7. The question number 7 is that sort the table by insurance agent in alphabetical order. Add a second level to sort by description and the create a custom sort order as the following: natural disaster, flood, fire, theft, accident. Add a third level to sort by duration smallest to largest. Basically in this question we will sort the table. Okay, by insurance agent in alphabetical order. We will sort the table. This is the first point of this question number 7. We will go to the Excel workbook. Click on insurance agent column. Okay, sorry, go to the home tab. In the editing group, click on sort and filter. Click on custom sort button. We will add a label. Insurance agent is the first label and add a second level. Okay, insurance agent is alphabetically order. Okay, this is the first level. Then we will have to add a second level to sort by description. Okay, sort by description. Add a second level. Click on add level. Select second level description. Okay, we will add a custom list. Natural disaster. Create a custom sort order as follows. Right click on this arrow, click on custom list. Where is natural disaster? Scroll down. Okay, here is natural disaster, flood, fire, theft, accident. Then we will have to add a third level. The third level sort by duration smallest to largest. This is the third level. We will have to add the third level by duration smallest to largest. Click on add level button. Click on this arrow. Duration is largest to smallest. 1 second. Give me smallest to largest or largest to smallest. Okay, smallest to largest. I have done this question so well. Now I am going to Now I'm going to do question number 8. I have done 7 questions of this assignment right now. The question number 8 is that filter the table to only display closed claim as indicated in the status column. Okay, filter the table to display. One second, click on the status column, right click on this, click on select all button, and then only show closed, click on OK button. Okay, this is filtered the status column. Now I am going to do next question is question number 9. The question number 9 is that use quick analysis to apply blue data bars conditional formatting to the column that contains duration. Use quick analysis to apply blue data bars conditional formatting to the column that contain duration. The column that contain duration. Okay, we will select duration column. Okay, then we will use quick analysis. Then we will apply blue data bars conditional formatting. Basically, in this question, we will select duration column and then we will use quick analysis tools. Then we will go to the conditional formatting and then we will apply blue data bars conditional formatting. Okay, you can see here I have read this question. Now I am going to apply this question on my Excel workbook. Go to the Excel workbook and then select duration column. Complete duration column, we will select it. Okay, we will select this column and then click on use quick analysis tools. Click on use quick analysis tool button and then we will go to the condition of formatting. Then we will apply blue data bars. Okay, apply blue data bars condition of formatting. We will go to the condition data bars and then apply blue data bars. Okay, I have done this question so well. Now I am going to do, you can see total question is 15. I just show you 9 to 10 question in this video. For remaining question, and if you want to read for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do your complete course with A plus grade and very reasonable prices. I am handling many students courses on MATLAB Pearson, Cengage Miltap, MCGRL Simnet, Blackboards and many more colleges and universities. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen and given in the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly comment my WhatsApp chat and deal for complete course. You will be free from this course. I will handle your complete course myself with A plus grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.